everyone, welcome to JimJams. I'm Ceyla and this is my dad here.
Hello everybody.
Today we are going to make a simple JimJam pastry dessert.
Fantastic, I'm looking forward to this. What ingredients and equipment do we need today?
We need JimJam or any spread, puff pastry, cutting board,
yes,
knives,
greaseproof paper, yes,
and paper towel, and a tray.
and a baking tray. Now, let's make sure that we get ourselves organised. And before we even go ahead, guys, we have washed our hands before we started this. So, we need clean hands anytime we do cooking. So, I'm going to place this to the side. We don't need this at the moment. We move this over here. Now, we need our JimJam and the puff pastry. Now, you can go ahead and open the puff pastry. Now, we're going to use our JimJam.
And our knife. Guess what it looks like? It kind of looks like natto.
And tell everybody what you're doing.
I'm going to spread the JimJam on the puff pastry.
I think we just need some more. Doesn't have to be too thin, Ceyla. We need a nice thick amount of chocolate, so when we're eating this, it's going to be great. Ceyla. Go ahead, carry on. Now, Ceyla, what other spreads do you think we could possibly use?
We maybe could use peanut butter.
Peanut butter, that sounds delightful.
We maybe use chili jam. That is
Chili jam.
cupboard.
And I love that kind of chili jam because it makes you go.
Strawberry jam.
Yes, strawberry jam as well. I like
And applesauce or any sauce you would like to have on.
I would say so.
We need to cut it with a very sharp knife.
Now, when we are cutting, Ceyla, we need to make sure they are an inch thick. We don't need to use a ruler here, guys. It just needs to be around an inch. So here is what I'm going to do, Ceyla. That is around an inch thick. So I'm just going to cut that like so, and then you'll see, everybody, you can see the swirls. I'm just going to place that here.
And you need an adult to help you by cutting.
And there we go.
Sharp knife.
Would you like to cut one, Ceyla?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
How many inches? This way.
Lovely. We can stop there. We pull this out like so.
I'm going to cut another one.
Hold on.
I'm going to cut another
1 second. Let's just go here and come down.
one.
And what I'm going to do also, guys, just to clean the knife so that our next spread cut is going to be easy. What we're going to need to do is make sure that these are placed correctly, because when they expand, everybody, we don't want them to kind of get in between each other. So there, these are now perfect. It says preheat the oven to 200 degrees. That's if it's a fan assisted oven, which is gas mark 7. I'm thinking that we should be leaving these for about 15 minutes and keep checking them during that time up to around 20 minutes.
Ask an adult to help you for putting these puff pastries into the oven, and we're going to see you in 15 minutes. We took them straight out of the oven. Now we're going to have a taste test.
I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to have that one right next to me.
I'm going to have this one.
And you know, I'm going to have a little bit of cream next to mine. And if you want some cream, you can, I'm going to just pour a little bit on there like so.
I want some next to it.
Next to it. Okay, let's just How's that? No problem at all. Have a little taste. Now guys, I'm gonna have a large taste. So, there we go. Cheers, Jays. Cheers. Mmm.
Yum.
Yummy.
Yummy. How are you quick with that?
Daddy has a large mouth.
And you're so greedy.
Correct. Now guys, you can have this with ice cream. You can have this with a little jam at the side. You know, if you wanted to change the filling, you could go along with what Ceyla said, peanut butter. You can add, even put in some peanut butter and jam with it. You know, experiment, be wild, do what you need to do your favourite flavours, and then enjoy it like myself, and as Ceyla is enjoying it. Finger licking good. Hey Jays, there we go. Lovely.
If you like it, like it. If you want to see more, subscribe.
Bye.